Welcome to Soul for Space. Remember, our content is purely educational, aiming to empower you with knowledge. But your financial decisions are your responsibility. For our demo, we search Space to Kiss. Previously linked Coinbase wallet to OpenSea. Click the NFT you're interested in. Select Make Offer. Review details, then click Continue. For the price, the demo shows $50 USDC as an ERC20 token. Offer duration set to 1 day. Approve transaction to place an offer. Ensure Ethereum is available for fees. Click Confirm. Check Wallet Transactions. The offer is now blockchain confirmed. Next, click beside the search bar. Swap Ethereum for Wrapped Ethereum. Retain some Ethereum for transaction gas fees. Swap complete, you can make offers in Wrapped Ethereum. It's confirmed. Select Make Offer. Set duration to 1 day. Enter offer price in Wrapped Ethereum. The demo shows $30 in WETH ERC20. Approve transaction to place an offer. Ensure Ethereum is available for fees. Click Confirm. The demo shows USDC and WETH offers. We show you how to accept offers. Use this as a guide if you plan to resell. Select NFT, View Offers Made. Click Accept USDC Offer. Web3 Wallet and OpenSea will connect. Verify transaction details. OpenSea fee is 2.5% per transaction. Click Approve to confirm USDC offer. Click Approve to confirm the offer. Approve with Ethereum fee for NFT swap. Check Etherscan for blockchain receipt. Offer and swap completed. Your one-of-a-kind NFT is now in your Coinbase wallet. Visible also on your OpenSea account. End by swapping Wrapped Ethereum back to Ethereum. Exchange Ethereum to USDC or fiat via your Coinbase account.